Okay, team, today we are doing an arm toning workout as part of my Daily 10 workout program. We are so close, day 29 out of 30. Grab those dumbbells, guys, and follow along. Here we go.
On a journey in the zone of life, took the high road, took it all in stride. Feel blessed to even be alive, surrounded by my best allies. I just wanna let loose and enjoy the night, party non-stop under the moonlight. Let my body run free till they shut us down, and then we'll head home and watch the sunrise. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. And then we'll head home and watch the sunrise. I've been knocked out so many times. Now I'm heading towards the finish line, aiming for the stars. But I'm taking my time, yeah, I'm taking my time. What's so serious? What's the rush? Have one drink on me. You've been thinking too much. Feeling blessed to even be alive, surrounded by my best alive. I just wanna let loose and enjoy the night, party non-stop under the moonlight. Let my body run free till they shut us down, and then we'll head home and watch the sunrise. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. And then we'll head home and watch the sunrise. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. And then we'll head home and watch the sunrise. Oh, no, no, no. I watch the sunrise. No, feeling blessed to even be alive, surrounded by my best allies. I'm on to, I feel so alive. We're gonna watch the sunrise. I just wanna let loose and enjoy the night, party non-stop under the moonlight. Let my body run free till they shut us down, and then we'll head home and watch the sunrise. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, oh, oh, oh. And then we'll head home and watch the sunrise. You see what you wanna see, and I look at what's right in front of me. I see all the beauty that surrounds my head held high and my feet on the ground. I just wanna stay up all night until I see the sun. Sit back, enjoy the ride. We only have this one life. We're all a little damaged. passing by insecurities. I see all the beauty that surrounds my head held high and my feet on the ground. Don't define yourself by the bruises on your heart. Sit back, enjoy the ride. All we have is this one life. We're all a little damaged.
Okay, team, your 10-minute arm toning workout is complete. Nice work. So tomorrow is a big day. It's the final workout of this 30-day challenge. My Daily 10 workout program is coming to an end, and we're going to finish good and strong. We have a HIIT strength and cardio workout ahead of us. So rest up, and I'll see you guys there.